morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lock Picking. I have another challenge lock to pick. This is from, and I moved my camera to the left side. I finally freed up some room here. Now we got to zoom here. Lock Picking Welder by Halfzipp. This is the bitting on the key. Very, very, very nice. Looks sort of tough. And this is the ABUS. I believe it's the 7240. It is 7240. So, beautiful lock. It's open now. Now it's locked. Let's see what we can do about picking this thing open, okay? Hope everybody's having a great day out there. I'm doing all right. This week has been great to me. Knock on wood. All right, so we got that on camera. I'm gonna go with, I think Roy made this for me. I had some, I want to say goat horns, but I don't know if they were goat horns. It was a beautiful horn. I gave him one and he made me a pick out of the other. So thank you, Roy, for that. Let's see what I got. I'm not ready for this. Let's see if this will work here. Okay, maybe. Nope, that ain't gonna work. What else do I have set out to the side here? Really not prepared for that. Sorry, guys. I had no idea I was gonna pick this one. Let's go with bottom of the keyway. It's a little bit big. A little thinner. Come on, baby. This is how I take up room on my videos. Alright, this should be good. Need to look at what I'm going to pick before I pick it. Alright, so let's see what we can do with this pick here. Let's get to it. I think y'all got a good view from the left side. Much better than the other side. Okay, that was 1, 2, nice. 3, binding, got counter rotation going. Okay, 4, this might be a little bit too big. I'm going to have to drop down to my pick. Yeah. Thought I could use this pick. I am not going to be able to use this. Alright, well, I got to click out of 1 again. Okay, if I get under the pins, there we go. There we go. Okay, I'm going with a different pick. I'm going to go with a thinner hook. Yeah, that's better. 2, 3, gotta go click out of 3. 4, this is still not the right pick. 4, gotta pick, got a nice click out of that. I can't use this one either, stay. Let's go with this thinner pick. Yeah, it feels a little bit better. Okay. Not arguing. Good. 5. 6. Back to beginning. 1, nice click out of 1. I don't know if you ever heard that. 2, nice click there. 3, great click there. Oh, God. Sorry about that. Damn it, and double damn it. Oh, I'm in a really bad... Doing it from the left. I gotta go over here. Alright. Better. 4. Wait, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Feels like it's binding. There we go. 5, nice. Click out of that. 6, back to the beginning. One, got a nice movement on 1. Getting a pain. Sorry, guys. Getting a pain. 3. Sorry, give me a second. God, this sucks. Alright. From the beginning. Nice. 2. Nice. 3. God, I hate this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. 4, 5, 6 feels like it's binding. Nice, got some definite movement on there. I want to call it kind of a false set. Let's keep going. 1. Nice. Very nice click on 1. 2. Definitely. Nice click, a little bit of movement. Moving into the false set category, I guess. In fact, I'm probably there, but I'll back off on the rotation. There we go. There we go. 4. Feels like it's binding. Definitely binding. 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 Nice. Okay. 5. Binding. Very nice. Okay, definitely a false set going. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll show you this way. It was all the way to the left. Doing good. My hands are hurting so bad right now. Start from the beginning. 1. 2. Now it's my left hand that hurts. Alright, 3 looks like it's binding good. Nice. Nice. Very, very nice. Got a little bit more movement. I think we're on 5. 5, we got a nice click out of. I'm going to start from the beginning. 1, 2 feels like it's binding. Gotcha, baby. God, I want to cry sometimes, man. Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. There you go. Nicely open. Man, I'm telling you, man, I almost was going to say in the next couple of minutes that I can't go on. All right, so we got that. Can I open this? No. Yeah. Hang on 1 second. Woo! Mr. Easy, are you way over there? What's going on in Easy Town?
That was easy.
Well, that's what I figured. How's Mrs. Easy doing? No, don't say it. Don't say it. Oh, that was tough. Must have Loctite on here. Woo! My hands are killing me. Let's get this opened. Okay, got that there. Okay, there's the whole actuator actually came out on that one. Alright, so we'll put that back in there in a minute. Let's get a I found what I did with my tension or my clip remover. There we go. There you go. All right, I'm gonna put that on a tray there. There. Okay, now I need a clip remover. I mean a clip remover, a follower. Whoa, I should have put a shim in there. I don't do anything without a shim. Let me get a short shim here. Shimmy, shim, shim, shim. Oops. All right, now let's try. No problems. No problems. We got a problem. Damn it, Houston. Wait a minute. Friggin' pro. I don't know what happened. There's my shim. Why didn't it work? Damn it, Bobby. I just destroyed the bottom of that. So here's all the top pins. Messed that up really good. Fuck. What can I say? Damn it. Yeah. Pretty much fucked this one up, boys. Look at this. Look at that mess. Man. That's gotta piss us pickers off more than anything. So let's see if I can recreate what I just did. There's another one there. So, where's the keys to this? Damn it. I'm whatever. I'm sorry, man. This could be one. Let me get my tweezers involved here. We have some exploring to do. Yeah, number one, no, don't seem right. That's not it. 3 is good. No. 4, yep. And totally all I have to say is I'm sorry. I don't know what it got hooked on. Top pin. Bottom pin. Nope. This is going to be a long one, guys, just because I screwed up on the pinning here. So, if you don't want to watch it, that's fine with me. At least I'll try showing you the pin order. So far, so good. Last pin. This should be it. It's a top pin. That's the bottom pin. There we go. Alright, so I got all the pins on the top set. Let me put this off to the side. Don't tip over. Let's see what we got going on top. I screwed up a couple of springs, it looks like. We got 2 pins out. This one. That looks like a pin and pin maybe. And to top it all off with, the camera shuts off. So this is a disaster. I'm not even going to count this one in my arsenal. I'm just going to take it apart and show you what we got. 3. 2. Get that. Nice pins. Well, I'm going to guess on the order putting it back together. And last pin. And spool. This was a very, very nice lock until I fricked it up. Alright, we got that. I'm not even camera. You know what? I'm gonna fucking throw this camera right now. Sorry, guys. This was a disaster. Alright, we'll do it as they want to do it. This is 3. 1. There we go. Cramping hands already. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Try to put these in somewhat right condition here for you. I want to show you because I saw that zoom, 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 zoom manual. All right. And my hands are about to bust right now. I got to get through this. We got threads in 1, undercutting in 2, threads in 3. There you go. There's a better view right there. You got threads all through that and all undercutting. What's in the last one, I don't know. Definitely undercutted. All right. So there you go there. I'm lost for words. What can I say? Just give you a close-up of what we got here. This was a beautiful, tough lock to pick. Bottom pins. We got a double-serrated key pin. 1 serration on the next one, the second. The third one, we got a serration and a sort of like a spool going. And 5, we have a spool. 4, we have a spoolish type. 5, we have a spool. Now you guys can see I'm already fucking up on what I'm doing here. I almost want to say 2 had a pin and pin, but I don't think so. So there are the pins. This was a great lock. I am sorry, lock-picking welder, for butchering this up, man. But I picked it. That's all that matters for me. So thank you for watching. Everybody have a good day. Don't put your picks in anyone else's locks. So we have explicit permission. And I'm gone.